Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I just wanted to get on and do a little bit of an intro. I feel like in a lot of my cleaning videos, it's just me jumping right into the cleaning. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching my videos and subscribing. It really means a lot to me. And yeah, so I have a full day of cleaning ahead of me. And also I want to kind of tidy up the back porch area. I'm looking at buying an outdoor rug. So just some fun things in this video, and I'm probably going to paint the back door black. I'm not sure. I haven't decided yet, but we'll see what this video holds. So if you guys are excited, I really hope you'll give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new. And yes, without further ado, we'll go ahead and jump on into this video. Okay, so a glimpse into a little bit of real life. There's a ton of laundry we need to do. The dogs and I played last night, so every toy out of their toy basket is out, clearly. And yeah, it's just a mess. So we've got a lot to do. The kitchen isn't bad at all because I really haven't done anything in there. I've been doing school from the table, and then outside we gotta put, I know the lighting's weird, we've got to put all this stuff up outside, like just tools that need to go away. And then I got this chair, which I haven't showed you guys yet, but I'm so excited about it. It was the best thing I got. And I got it from Walmart because the one at Target is almost $500, and I was not about to spend $500. So I will link this down below, but it's selling out really quickly. And it was actually sold out online. And when we went to do our like weekly grocery run, we went by Walmart and they had a bunch in stock. So if you can't find it online, I definitely suggest checking out your Walmart when it's safe to do so. So yeah, I want to get an outdoor rug, but I'm not sure. The one I ordered from Target got canceled because they said they ran out of them, so I don't know. And then we're getting a new fire pit because this one's broken. And I want to get a new umbrella because this one's, you know, it's had it, and this stand does not withstand any kind of wind. So this umbrella will blow over literally at the slightest breeze. So really inconvenient when you're trying to sit out here and the umbrella falls out over on you. But yeah, so that's just a little update out here, but we have a lot to do in this video, so I'm excited to go ahead and get started.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So now that the living room is all cleaned up and everything's back in order, I'm going to start doing some dishes and make sure the dishwasher is running while I do the rest of my chores so I can unload it at the end and it'll be nice and ready for dinner dishes to go in later tonight.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So I'm spraying off the countertops using my 7th generation disinfectant cleaner, but I actually read the bottle and I usually just spray it and wipe it off, but it actually says to spray it on and let it sit for 10 minutes and then you don't have to wipe it off. So I thought that was interesting and I just didn't realize I've been using it wrong this whole time, so I figured I'd let you guys know. While steam mopping, this is one of my favorite things to do. It just makes my floors feel really clean and I know it's sanitizing everything in my home without using like harsh chemicals. And especially just, you know, with people walking in my house or Aaron walking in after being in a customer's house or something, it's nice to have the floors sanitized. And the main reason is just having the dogs come in and out. There's always so much mud I get off the floor that I don't even know is there.
Go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
Okay, so I just placed an order for this outdoor rug. It got really good reviews and is on sale for $64, and then I got it even cheaper with my red card. So hopefully it will let me pick it up because I've tried to order it 2 times and do like a Target drive-up order, and then it gets canceled because they say they don't have it anymore. So I don't know what's going on with that, but I ordered it, so hopefully we can get that today and get that put outside. Before I go and get that rug, I wanted to blow off the back porch just to make sure it's nice and clean. And there was a lot of stuff back there that needed to be blown off, and I wanted to keep the camera inside so it wouldn't get all dirty. Got this super cute new mat for the back door. It's from Opal House and it was on sale at Target for only $10 and I absolutely love it, so I will link it down below for you guys as well. Okay, so while I'm making myself a little drink, I just want to show you guys what I've been doing for like a little refresher, and it's so yummy, so good. So I just fill a glass of ice and then I use some Simply Light lemonade. This is like pink strawberry kind of lemonade. It says it's made with raspberry. I taste more of a strawberry flavor. It's so good, and I fill this about halfway. Well, it's more than halfway, but you get the idea. And then I use this pineapple, orange juice, and banana dole juice. I'm gonna shake it up real good. And then I pour some of that in there. It looks so yummy and refreshing. I just love it. And then you don't really need this part, but I kind of like the extra fizz it gives. I'll just pour a little bit of Sprite. Probably too full, and I usually will put like a fresh cut strawberry in there or something, and this is so yummy. And when it's a hot day outside and I want to just chill out in my egg chair outside, this is what I make, and it's so good. So just some lemonade. You can really do any kind of juice you want, and then I just put a pop of Sprite in there, and then usually I always cut up like a strawberry or something to throw in there to make it look cute. But highly recommend this drink if you just want something fun to drink at home. So, surprise, we had way more laundry to fold in my room, so I got like 3 or 4 loads of laundry folded and put away this day, so that was really good, and I shouldn't have any more laundry for a while. go ahead and clean out our tub. It always gets a like makeup ring or something on it because I like to wash, if I'm in the bathtub, I'll just wash my makeup off. So I just sprayed it with some disinfectant cleaner, and then I'm using a magic eraser just to get some of that gunk off, and it looks so much better and much more whiter after I use that eraser, which I haven't done before. So I highly recommend using that if you have a bunch of those on hand. Okay, so if you're like me and you watch a lot of TikTok, you've seen the putting fabric softener in your toilet tank. Every time you flush your toilet, it's supposed to smell really fresh and maybe keep your toilet clean a little bit longer. So I got some Gain fabric softener, so I figured we'd try this out and see how it works. So far, I like having that in my toilet tank. I feel like it does keep everything smelling a lot better and fresher. I don't really know. I've only had it in there a few days, but so far I say it's worth a try. Never really showed me cleaning our shower, and it's honestly, it's awful. I hate our shower so much. We're gonna redo all the tile because it just is impossible to stay clean. So what I do is I usually pour like a bleach mixture in there or some Comet or something to let it sit, and then I just scrub it and clean it while I'm in the shower. So obviously I can't show that, but I just feel like it's more efficient and the easiest way to get it clean. So I decided to move our bar cart outside because I really liked this idea, just if we have guests over or something. And honestly, it was taking up a lot of space in my dining room and we never really use it. But I feel like if it's outside, I'll use it more. And obviously I'll move it in when it's bad weather. But for now, I thought it just added a nice like filler for that area. And we could always just serve food or drinks or something out on it. So I think it's cute. And for now, I'm going to keep it there. Alright guys, good news. So my Target order is ready for me to come get it. I'm so glad to have my rug. So we're gonna go drive over there, pick it up, and come put it on the back porch. Alright guys, so I just got home with the rug. So we're gonna start moving some stuff. Hopefully it will be easy to move and set it out. It's only a 5x7, so it's not gonna take up the whole space, but I didn't want it to. So we'll see what it looks like. Okay, so I had to film on my phone because my camera just died, of course. So this is what the rug looks like. I think it's really cute. It's not as like dark as I thought it was gonna be, but that's okay. I thought it was gonna be more black and it's more gray. but I still really like it, and it ties in well with these chairs that I got from Target last year. I got these on major clearance, like 80% off. It was crazy. And that little table I paid like $13 for. So yeah, we're still working. I still gotta put all that stuff up, and like, so just ignore all this. But I think this mat is super cute, and I think I decided after asking some of my friends that I'm gonna paint the back door a fun like teal pop of blue color, like something that will tie in with like that blue right there. I think that'd be super cute, and then keep the trim part white, because eventually all the fascia boards are gonna get painted white too. So I just think that would look cleaner, and hopefully it would be more durable than this, because this looks awful. And then I moved the bar cart out here like you guys saw. I'm not going to keep all this stuff out here all the time, but once we get to have people back over again and stuff, I think it'll be really fun just to like have some drinks or appetizers or something out here. And then I want to get another one of those Majesty palms to put in this planter. I had my fiddle leaf in it, and I repotted my fiddle leaf, so that was in my last video. So this is the Majesty palm. I want to get another one to go here. And then I think these chairs will probably just go. All that patio furniture is being donated, and then that fire pit we're replacing with one to go right here. So I'll put a picture of that one in on the screen. So it's all coming together. The grass is just ruined from where the dogs run, but over here looks really nice, especially with our flowers and stuff. So we're getting there. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave me some comments down below. What would you like to see next on my channel? Thank you guys so much for being here and watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope you're all staying healthy, safe, and well, and I'll see you in the next one.